I have this property where we have a gate and a latch, but the wind catches the gate often and it slams it shut really hard, way harder than what you just saw. And what that has done is it's broken the latching mechanism. What I'm gonna do today is I need to figure out a way to fix this so that I don't have to replace the whole thing. So I just kind of looked through my supplies and I found a bolt, a washer, and kind of like a nut, a flat nut. Wish it was a locking nut, that'd probably be better, but I'm just gonna put this through and see if that'll help keep it together for longer. Next, I'm gonna put this nut on the end of it just to kind of prevent this from backing out further than I want. I don't want to put it too tight because then I'm not gonna have this mobility if this gets too tight and cinches it in. So I'm going to twist this all the way in. Okay, so now these two pieces are never gonna come apart. The last item I'm missing, which I do have, but it's back at a different property, is the spring that goes from this hole to right here. Okay, I'm back here the next day. I have the spring for the latch, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right now. So the purpose of this spring, of course, is to return the latch in the down position after people use it. This will automatically lock it onto the post that sticks out right there. I'll give you an example. Without the spring, it just kind of sits up or sits down. Perfect. Looks like my repair is going to be long lasting as well, so good to see. Hopefully that helps you if you're in this situation.